Hamza from the UK.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Assalamu
Sheikh, when I pray Salah, I often hear like certain sounds come out from my mouth. Sometimes they're from my mouth, my throat, or like my tongue. They're unintentional. I don't do it intentionally. But also when I pray in the mosque, I hear people clear their throat loudly and they make these noises like they grunt and they make all sorts of noises. So my question is like, what is the ruling on making sounds in Salah? Is it, are all sounds forgiven or are all sounds ignored? Or
This is from shaitan, yeah, Hamza. These are from shaitan, whispers from shaitan. We have to make such sounds every now and then. I get people with OCD coming to me and say, Sheikh, when I'm breathing, I'm a heavy breather. So I say, in salat. So does this impact my salat? I said, yeah, you have to stop breathing until you finish your salat. Of course, you'll be dead by then, but this is shaitan. These are normal things. To clear your throat, to sneeze, to cough, all of this is normal. To make a popping sound when you open your lips or close them for one reason or the other, unintentionally, without any bad intent to ruin your salat or mock Islam. There's nothing wrong with that. This is totally normal.